Whenever I see rice noodles, I know the party has started because it's not your regular meal. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossy, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your rice noodles without stress. Note, these are the most important ingredients you need to make your rice noodles: your scrambled egg, your shrimps, your sesame oil, soy sauce. For this video I'm using a light soy sauce, then grated pepper, grated onion, sliced shrimps, sliced spring onion, then my vegetables, which is my red pepper, green pepper, carrot, yellow pepper, and rice noodles. In a pot, go in with your butter, but I'm using margarine for this video. Then I'm going to allow it heat up a bit, and then I'll go in with my sesame oil. Then after that, my shrimps. Mind you, this is frozen. So after that, I'm going in with white pepper, that's for seasoning of the shrimps, and then seasoning cube. Now we're going to mix together and make sure all ingredients are well incorporated. Then ginger and garlic powder. At this stage, our shrimps is almost ready, so we're going to mix our grated onion and also our grated pepper to it, and we're going to mix this properly until it is properly combined together. After mixing this for about 2 minutes, then I'm going to go in with our soy sauce. Mind you, I prefer to mix my soy sauce like this than the other way around, because to me it is easier to mix your rice noodles to it. And also, I'll always tell you, if you watch my other videos, to always make your base before you boil that's your pasta or your spaghetti. So now time for us to make our rice noodles. In a pot, you go in with your water and then you add a little bit of salt to it. Make sure your water brings to a boil before you add your noodles, and you can also do this for your pasta or your spaghetti. So make sure your rice noodles is properly and well seated inside the water, and mind you, we're going to boil this on a medium heat for just 2 minutes. So make sure it is properly seated inside the water. So we're just going to cover this and allow it to boil for just 2 minutes on a medium heat. So now our rice noodles is ready. All we have to do is just save. Then we're just going to pour it inside our base. This is where the work comes in, the mixing part. You have to mix this properly until it is well combined, and this is, to me, it is a work, and at the same time it is not a work. So I will advise you to always get a bigger pot or a wider pot, so it is easier for you to mix properly. So in case your soy sauce is not enough, feel free to add a little to it. So time for us to add our other ingredients while mixing. So we're just going to go in with our scrambled eggs. Then after that, we'll go in with our sliced vegetables, which is our red pepper, yellow pepper, carrots, and green pepper. Then also, that's my daughter helping me out with the spring onion. So we're just going to mix this again until it is properly combined. And also, I added a little bit of the pasta water, that's the rice noodles water, to it, just a little bit, while mixing this up together. So we're just going to mix and mix and mix until it is properly combined together. at this stage our rice noodles is ready. So just take a look at this beautiful, isn't it gorgeous? So by the way, let me know what you think about this video. If you're watching this video, kindly say I, let me know that you watched this video to this point. So can you see that our rice noodles is properly combined together? So after this, time for us to serve. So I serve this with fried fish. So let me know what you think about this video. Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and most especially subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Mind you, listen to what I had to say about this food. So yummy.
You need to try this. Nice.
Bye.